Hello again, and thanks for watching. I'm John, and today we have let's just say it's a beautiful piece of land. You can see the views, absolutely stunning. It's at the edge of the village. The village is Zaraevo, 10 kilometers from Popovo. It's absolutely stunning. So this piece of land actually has a house on it, so we call it a house with land. There's two sections to the garden. This is one section with a house, and at the beginning of the video you saw the other section. 1,000 square meters of land. The house hasn't been lived in for a very long time. The roof is not in bad condition, and the structure of the property is pretty good. The views are absolutely astounding. Upstairs you've got two rooms and what you could quite easily turn into a bathroom, which is a storage room at the moment. Nothing special, traditional build, but again, it's €6,999, and I think the plot alone is worth this. That the house is more of a bonus. No surprises, it's had some leaks in the past. If it's still got any, which I don't think it has, it's very easy to repair. Personally, I think the garden lends itself very well for a nice concrete base and a static caravan or a mobile home of some description, or it's just fantastic. It's absolutely stunning. The views are really nice. So this little storage room here, for example, is too small for a bedroom, although it might be alright for a baby or something, some kind of nursery, or you'd open it up and develop it as a bathroom. Not really much to say, nothing hidden, it is exactly as it is. At the end of this video we'll see more of the views and you'll be able to understand why I'm talking so enthusiastically about it. Plots like this are getting rarer and rarer to find. Even without the house, it's good medium-term investment. So to cap off, there's two large bedrooms upstairs with a small storage room which you could use as a bathroom. Downstairs is 3 large rooms. It could be done up. You'd only need DIY skills to do this. The guttering is intact. There's no space behind the house. The house actually backs onto the neighbour's garden. This is what you'd call the front garden. This is the entrance into the garden. Just on the other side of that wall, you've got tens of kilometres of views. Even if this place was just a plot of land, it's beautiful, stunning. You could build a nice little bungalow up here overlooking this. Or as I said, you might use it for a camper van or whatever. It's just a beautiful, stunning place. Just a little note about my video: if you can hear cars passing in the background, it's not from this location. It's actually from my office, so I apologise for that, but there's not much I can do about it. So again, 1,000 square meters of land located at the end of the village, Zaraevo, which is 10 kilometers from Popovo. Popovo's got everything you need, although Zaraevo has a lot of shops, it has a bar, it's very nice people, very comfortable village indeed. Just look at them views. Don't forget, you've got two sections to the garden, one that comes with the house, and one further up which has a gated entrance. 1,000 square meters of land, and it's definitely worth the money. As a medium term investment, you can't lose. Imagine parking a camper van here on your holiday. Absolutely stunning. The house is just a bonus, I think, but a great investment. Right, look forward to hearing from you, and I'll bring you some more videos.